What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from the Universal Orlando Resort for yet another Jurassic World VelociCoaster construction update. Hopefully there's been some progress. Let's go! The Universal Studio Store has a bunch of new paint or primer on there. You can really smell it in the air. Of course, all that paint and primer continues all the way down this way. Hello, Lighthouse. That's right, we're at Islands of Adventure. It's about 45 minutes until the park closes, and it is not busy. Somewhere in the high 60s also. And nobody at the ticket windows on either side. Turnstiles on the right are closed. Ones on the left are open, a little bit busier, but that's because studios closed at 5. Well, lucky for us, they opened up another lane. No wait to get their temperature checks, security, or the front entrance, and we are on our way. The wait times, let's check them out. Park is open until 6, Hulk 35, Hagrid's 45. You can see Dr. Doom 10 minutes, Spider-Man 20 minutes, Kong at 15, P-Flyers at 15, Flight of the Hippogriff at 25 minutes, Forbidden Journey 15 minutes, 5 minutes for all the smaller attractions and water rides, so not a bad day. There's the VelociCoaster, and we saw a couple test runs as we were walking in. Hopefully we'll catch a couple more. Get off my sneech. Hooray! The barricades have been moved again. We can get a little bit closer now. Thunder Falls Terrace. Smoking area right here we can see closed, along with Jurassic Park River Adventure until the 29th. Alright, so we're over here by formerly Wall City. We have all sorts of plants and trees. They kind of stopped testing. It's been about maybe 10-15 minutes since the last one. So we have the raptor encounter over here, and they've been working on the ground area for a little bit. As we can see, it looks pretty good. We now have some white paint right there by the fence. And over on the side next to the show building, not seeing any new bamboo. Hopefully soon. And see, this area still has a gap.
It's some stuff.
Yeah. Alright, so something else I wanted to point out is we're seeing a lot more of uplighting in the area. We now have some in the cavern area, right inside that rock structure. Let's zoom in. See? Looks really nice. And see, just in case if you didn't believe me, River Adventure, closed. Well, they've done a couple more test runs, very sporadic, no train lights, and I'm gonna call it for the night. Well guys, that's gonna do it for another update here from the Universal Orlando Resort for the Jurassic World VelociCoaster. We had a chance to see some daytime testing and nighttime testing. New uplighting is over near the cave area. It looks really good. I'm hoping we can get back to see those train lights on. Of course, we're gonna have more updates, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.